In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. If you manage email or SMS marketing, you'll know how quickly your Klaviyo account can fill up with old, inactive, or test profiles. Cleaning these out in bulk helps keep your account organized, improves list quality, and can even make reporting a bit clearer. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to bulk delete profiles using your lists and segments. First, open your browser and go to your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your main overview, performance metrics, recent campaigns, and navigation options on the left-hand side or across the top, depending on your layout. From here, you won't go directly into individual profiles. Klaviyo doesn't allow bulk deletion from inside the profile section, and that's important to keep in mind. Instead, look for the option labeled Lists and Segments. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your contact groups live, including static lists you've uploaded and dynamic segments based on filters and behavior. When the Lists and Segments page opens, take a moment to identify which lists or segments actually contain the profiles you want to remove. It's worth double-checking names and, if needed, quickly opening a list in a separate tab to confirm who's inside. Deletion is permanent, so this quick review can save you from mistakes. Once you're sure, go back to the main lists and segments view. On the left side of each list or segment name, you'll see a small white checkbox. Click the white box next to each of the lists and segments that contain the profiles you'd like to remove. You can select one or several at once, depending on what you're trying to clean up. Take your time here and only tick the boxes for lists and segments you're absolutely comfortable deleting from. As soon as you select at least one list or segment, a bar of options will appear, usually along the top or bottom of the page. In that bar, look for the option labeled Delete. Click on Delete. Klaviyo may prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you understand that this action will permanently remove the selected lists or segments and their associated profiles. Carefully read that message, then confirm if everything looks correct. Once you confirm, Klaviyo will process the deletion. After it's done, those profiles will be removed in bulk,